As 2020 draws to a close, I just wanted to share a few thoughts as I reflect on an incredible year, which, while extremely challenging, has brought out the best in our industry, I believe. No one could have predicted the devastating impact that COVID would and continues to have on the world, and I'm sure that few would like to predict how 2021 will pan out. For the infrastructure sector, like many others, it's been a year of uncertainty, difficult decisions and change, but it's also shed light on how agile, innovative and collaborative we can be, and the important role we play in society through the projects we deliver. I was particularly struck by the sense of togetherness across the industry, as we pulled together during March and beyond to share lessons learned and best practice to help us all adapt to remote working seemingly overnight. At Atkins and F&G, we were indebted to our brilliant IT team and support functions who worked tirelessly to ensure we could still deliver for our clients, be it from our kitchen tables, our home offices and even occasionally our garden sheds. When our clients needed us most, we were able to maintain the high standards we set ourselves, and in some cases offer new services to help keep projects on track during totally unprecedented times. Our industry comes under a lot of scrutiny, and there's no doubt that we must improve our productivity levels and accelerate our digital transformation. But this year, I believe we've seen real progress, not only as a result of COVID, but also through a continued focus on overcoming the barriers that have held us back for far too long. When you read trade magazines, attend virtual events, or scroll through LinkedIn posts, you'll see an industry that recognises the need for change and an increasing appetite to embrace digital and to perform better. I've been blown away by some of the things I've seen this year, from using AI and machine learning to identify new collaborative contracting models, to the use of robots on nuclear decommissioning projects and the digital transformation of our railways. We've seen data-driven design increase predictability and help reduce costs already. We've seen clients, partners and academia come together to help accelerate the sector's evolution. We've seen a common purpose. And of course, there's still much more to do, but for me, 2020 should be seen as a seminal year when we proved as an industry we can change at real pace, in real width and depth in what we do. It's unprecedented. I've also been thinking about some of the headlines we've seen this year about project cost and time challenges. Whilst there are certainly lessons to be learned, let's not lose sight of the fantastic work being delivered and the complexity of the problems we're solving. I'd like to point to Highways England's A14 project in Cambridgeshire as a fantastic example of what can be achieved when the industry gets it really right. Completed 6 months ahead of schedule, this £1.5 billion upgrade project will benefit the national and regional economies and was delivered by a team that took collaboration and digital innovation to the next level. It's a genuine triumph for Highways England and a project team that I'm proud to say Atkins was a big part of. Other highlights for me this year include the incredible progress made at Hinkley Point C, the delivery of major rail projects across the UK and Scandinavia, and the first affordable homes being completed by Edaroth, Atkins' own housing development business, and something we're incredibly proud of. We also saw the industry, including our F&G business, spring into action to help deliver Nightingale hospitals as part of the UK's early response to the threat of COVID. All of these projects, and the many others I've not mentioned, have seen organisations from across the UK and European supply chains work flat out to deliver critical infrastructure during what has been the toughest year. Let's celebrate that as 2020 draws to a close. Looking ahead, I'm excited about the role our industry will play in building back better, stronger and particularly greener over the coming months and years. What an opportunity we have to shape the future. And while no one knows for certain what 2021 will bring, I think we have real cause to be confident and optimistic that we will see our industry continue its digital journey while helping to improve lives throughout the projects it delivers. With that, I'd like to thank our clients, partners and colleagues for your support throughout the year and to wish everyone a safe and happy festive period. Thank you.